I'm here to tell you that Prime is the best drink. This is Prime Ice Pop, my favorite flavor, and it's the best drink. Ice Pop has 20 calories, even though they say it has 25, some of them do have 25. 2 grams of sugar, 10% coconut water, 200 milligrams of BCAA, vitamin B, 834 electric lights. Go get you some at Walmart. There you go. Walmart only.